Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a Gmail. To begin, navigate to your Google account settings in a web browser. Once there, look for the Data and Privacy section on the left-hand navigation pane. This area is your central hub for managing all your personal data and account preferences. Before deleting, understand that all your email messages and associated files will be permanently removed. It is crucial to download your data first, perhaps using Google Takeout, to save any important information. Remember, services like YouTube, Google Photos, and Drive, which are linked to this Gmail, will also become inaccessible. Take a moment to consider which accounts use this Gmail for logins. Within Data and Privacy, scroll down until you locate the More Options section. Here, you will see the option to delete your Google account. After clicking this, you will be prompted to re-enter your password for security verification. This step confirms that you are the legitimate owner attempting this action. Carefully read the information provided on the next screen before proceeding. Once you confirm the deletion, your account enters a temporary removal state and becomes inaccessible. You generally have about 20 days to potentially recover it if you change your mind. After this brief recovery period, however, the account and all its contents are permanently erased from Google's systems. There will be no way to retrieve your emails or associated data once that window closes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.